All right, headed out on Beehive Basin trailhead. I think round trip's like 7.1 miles. So here we go. We've made it to the top of the lookout point for Beehive Basin. That's Beehive Basin down there.
Well, the whole thing.
The whole thing's a basin. It's a big rock wall around us. Here, I'll turn as you can see. It's nice. It's gorgeous up here. There's like little creeks running from everywhere down into the water area, and people are bringing their dogs up here. So definitely a good spot for kids and dogs. And yeah, glad we got to do it.
Back,